Okay guys, this is day 8 of me trading futures and trying to make 10 grand in a month. All right guys, it's day 8, not exciting day, but I'll make this quick. So I have my main account. This company gave me 50 grand so I could use it to trade futures, and my goal is to make 10 grand for the month. So today, this is how much I made. Okay, now the grand total that I made in the past 8 days is this. So I made my goal. But the catch is that these companies, they're called prop firms. Prop firms are these companies that let you borrow money. This is the great part. You don't have to use your own money to trade futures. The catch is that they don't let you just, they don't just give you money, let you trade, and then take all your money and then go away. They want to make sure you're serious. So they got all these regulations, all these rules. So what happens is that they have requirements. And for this particular prop firm, they said, okay, John, we'll give you $50,000, but first you have to show us you can trade. So make $3,000 in trading. Through our company. So they give me a fake money and a fake site and blah, blah, blah. And I use the real stock exchange and I proved to them I can make money. So I made the 3 grand. So they gave me the actual money now. So now I make all this money, and their requirement is that I have to trade for at least 10 business days and to take a withdrawal. So I have to work 10 business days basically, and I have to win at least $200 on those business days. So I can't lose. That's a requirement there. And then on the first 3 payments, I can only take 2 grand out. So I only take 2 grand out for the first 3 payments. And then after that, then I can take more money out. So they just want to make sure I'm there for the long haul. So they stretch things out to make the requirements a little harder, so I'm there longer. So that's the thing. So, but I did raise $10,000 on day 8. Now, day 9 and 10, I have 2 more days. I literally could lose that money in the next 2 days in a trade. So wish me luck. I hope I don't lose it. So anyway, that being said, I'm flying high. I don't even have to raise that much in the next 2 days because I've made my goal. And plus I can only take out $2,000 now anyway. But every 10 days, I can take $2,000 for the next 3 payments. So 10 days, that's like 1 month, right? 30 days is 1 month. So in 1 month, I can make $6,000, which isn't bad for me doing a side hustle right now. So that's, but then after that, I could take more money out. But now I'm doing 3 other companies that I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna see if they'll give me $50,000 so I can use their money, so I can start trading on their money, so I can make more money. So I can make maybe $2,000 every 10 days on their sites. So I started doing that. So now they gave me the same requirements. These 3 companies that I asked to use their money, they all want me to make $3,000 for them. So let me show you. These are the 3 firms right here. I don't endorse any of them. I'm not getting paid by any of these companies, but these are the 3 companies. They are all prop firms that will let you borrow money to invest as long as you follow their requirements. And they all want me to raise $3,000 first for the $50,000 account that I want. And this is how much I've made so far. Oh, I'm not close to 3,000 yet because I'm so stretched out. I'm trading everywhere, so I can't concentrate on one company. I'm stretching it out. So I'm picking and choosing a little bit here and there. But I'll get there. I'll eventually raise $3,000 for each of these companies. Once I raise $3,000 for each of these companies, they'll hopefully approve me, and then I'll have these 3 accounts. And and one of these accounts, it says two accounts. So this one account, I have 2 accounts within this one account. So that means I have $100,000 in this one account. So actually, I have 4 accounts, if that makes sense. So 4 accounts plus the one I'm doing now. I'm going to be trading all these prop firms, and hopefully I'll be just making random checks and random money 2,000 here, 2,000 there, 5,000 eventually. You know, I'm going to start making money is my goal. Is my goal. Now I know you can lose the money. I've heard stories of day traders, you know, blowing their accounts like I actually did. I actually blew my account a couple days ago when my dog died. I hear people, you know, getting money and losing it, getting money and losing it. So who knows what's going to happen in the next month? But so far so good. I've already reached 10 grand, and I'm now trying to open up more companies. So guys, thank you for listening, for those who are, the 2 people who are listening. And guys, let's see what happens. Who knows, maybe a year from now, I'll be like super rich trader or something, you know?